कैसे हैं आप सब? कौन सावा 3 ही लैंग्वेजेस आती है मुझे, सॉरी। तो अभी जस्ट मैं घर से बाहर निकली हूँ आफ्टर गेटिंग रेडी फॉर 1.5 आवर, और हम जा रहे हैं अब एक डीजे सेट पर जहाँ मेरा फ्रेंड प्ले करने वाला है। आई एम सो प्राउड ऑफ हिम एंड एक्साइटेड फॉर इट, बट वो तभी हो पाएगा जब हम वहाँ टाइम से पहुँच पाएंगे, क्योंकि हम ऑलरेडी 1.5 आवर लेट चल रहे हैं। आई वुड हैव रीच देयर बाय 6 PM and it's already 6 PM, but let's see what's gonna happen. Stay tuned. तो ये फ्रांस का ट्रैफिक हमें और ज़्यादा लेट कर रहा है। It's still red. You can see. Sign. This is my Navigo card, which is very necessary if you are a student studying in Paris. You know guys, I'm running because my metro is arrived. It's already here. Finally हमने metro पकड़ लिया। भाग कर ऐसा फील आ रहा था सबवे सर्फर खेल रही हूँ। This is the problem. कि आप लोगों को भी लगता है कि अगर आप पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट में बिना पकड़े हुए बैठे हो तो आप किसी को कर सकते हो। You are gone. You are gone.
A few moments later.
अगर आपका फ्रेंड प्ले कर रहा है, you cannot miss it. I'm a good friend, Guys, meet my friends, Shivya and Devesh, and the cameraman, Aman Badhak. I finally reached the destination.
Hi, Bhaiya. 20 rupees.
Mr. Devesh, I have a question for you.
Yeah, for sure.
Which course are you pursuing right now?
Master in Business Analysis and Consulting.
How are you liking it so far?
It's good only. Not that good, but yeah, okay.
Okay. And what advice would you like to give to the students who wants to come to France for their studies?
They should learn French for sure. Don't be dependent on part-time internships, part-time kind of jobs. You won't get it until and unless you are too fluent with French. Otherwise, life over here is quite good. Initially,
Quite
you might
good.
feel a bit homesick, but once you are adapted to this culture, you will feel lovely, and this is a nice and pretty city. So, I mean, you just need to know how to spend your time over here. You can party a lot, you can do clubbing, you can make friends.
Party.
The other thing, chill, enjoy a lot over here. If you are
Yes.
gonna be a student over here, you just have a very limited time because people say that it's gonna be a 1-year course, but most probably it will end before a year. So enjoy your time being a student. Go out, explore the city. If you have enough amount of funds, then go out, explore Europe, because Europe is quite pretty, quite
So
different.
beautiful.
And it's quite different than India, and if you are coming from any other country, then definitely it's gonna be different. And the weather is
Definitely.
quite peaceful. The most surprising factor over here is like until like in peak summers, by 10 or 10:30 you won't find that we are having darkness over there.
Yeah, there is sunlight.
So there is sunlight,
Until
and
10 PM
that's
we see
quite-
sunlight over here.
That's quite
It's
surprising,
quite
unique,
surprising. True.
and quite exciting also. But yeah.
And yes, you were right. Enjoy your life because we are also here. It's a weekend and we are here.
See my fashion. Anklet in my elbow.
The other DJ.
An anklet in my elbow.
Wow! Did someone gift you this?
No, it's a silver anklet, so
Oh, it's so beautiful.
yeah, I
मैं
have to
चुरा
take care of
लूँगी.
it.
मैं चुरा लूँगी.
You shouldn't. ये
Maitre, be serious. Now tell me, go back. Tell me, which course are you pursuing right now?
I'm studying in strategy and digital transformation at ISEC.
Alisic. Good French, huh? Good progress.
Japal Ponce, s'il vous plaît.
Don't do this. Okay, so how are you liking it so far?
Like about the school or the people or the country or the
Anything about student life in France in general?
city? I love it.
You love it?
I really love it.
Would you
we have
like
a
to
lot
give
of
some
benefits.
advice
Yeah.
to the students?
Yeah, it's just like there are a lot of benefits coming to Paris. People think it's very expensive, very. But if you see, there are a few platforms like Linky who give you like free groceries, and
And you can also volunteer over there, like
yeah,
you do.
I do volunteering there. So apart from that, you get car. Imagine you're paying your house rent and government pays you back some part of it. And adding to that, yeah, with this one Navigo pass, we can travel all this Ile de France, Foss. And
Do you like your studies in France?
I do, man. I do.
You know?
Though, like,
And
Go
more
on, go
than
on.
that, you like partying more. You are a party
as a
animal, huh?
DJ, I have to go analyze what type of music people are playing. If you go inside and ask, how did the DJ play? They're gonna say, good, amazing.
Oh, should I ask?
Yeah. And
I
there is
don't-
one more better DJ than me here.
Oh, Aman
exists,
Pata
official,
DJ
guys.
exist. So I have two DJs with me. DJ Exist and Mr. Trey. Brother, huh? And of course, the popular person.
Dandiya.
Do you like Paris?
I love Paris. I fucking love Paris. Or maybe like
So you have found an internship over here?
I found an internship. I found some amazing friends like you guys. I go to some cool ass bug parties.
Love you. I love you.
Paris is different.
So how did you find an internship here? Did you find any difficulty in that?
Yes, through a lot of ups and downs, I did manage to get one. Thanks to manifestations and my father praying to all the Indian gods.
Of course. So guys, we have received multiple perspectives now from different people and about their student life in France. I hope it has solved all your questions or queries. And if you have any more queries, you can just comment down below and I'll be more than happy to answer to your questions. Stay tuned. Pragna, how are you liking the collection?
I really love this. Like, look at this. It's cool stuff. She recycled it. These bags. I think that's cool as fuck.
Wow, they recycled all these bags.
Yeah.
That's amazing, dude. Wow. Did you like anything? Huh? Which one? Whoa! It's so beautiful. Indeed, Paris is a fashion capital. Look at the outfits. Oh my god, giving goddess vibes. कितना सुंदर है यार. Life is too short to wear boring clothes. Crazy, crazy. When is your birthday?
January 17th.
Huh?
January 17th.
January 17th. So for the next January 17th, I already have your birthday cake ready. Do you want to see? Look! Excited.
All for me, all for me. No cake for you guys.
You're buying bags
I'm buying this
for a girl?
Yeah.
For your girlfriend?
No, not my girlfriend. For someone else's girlfriend.
Oh, good friend. Brotherhood, huh? Good collection, but. अब हम निकल पड़े हैं पिज़्ज़ा पार्टी के लिए. Oh my god. Just Indian students in Paris. Guys, we are finally at Châtelet. It is one of the most busiest areas in France. And I guess we are going to 5 Pizza. Are we going to 5 Pizza? Are we going to 5 Pizza?
No, pizza time.
Pizza time?
Yes.
Why not 5 Pizza?
pizza time. Because अपना time आएगा.
Guys, if you are a student in Paris and you are finding a budget friendly pizza, here is the one for you. It's a vegetarian and tasty. Pizza is quite good. It's good.
It is good, but budget friendly is 5 pizza.
Yeah, 5 pizza is OG. That's the best one. And the best part is अभी यहाँ पर दुआ लिपा का कॉन्सर्ट चल रहा है and I guess वो end हो जाएगा थोड़ी देर में. Waiting for it. And also we have a page, an event organization company where we organize parties in Paris. So we are planning to set the DJ here so that all the crowd can join us. Good idea, na? Good marketing strategy. So we're gonna do that. That's why we came here. Although I'm very tired today because of the boots I'm wearing. But I'm in love with the sky. It's so beautiful. See? Wow. Amazing. I am a sunset lover. I love sunsets. भाई मुझे बहुत पसंद है sunsets. हाथ दुखने लगा मेरा व्लॉग करते करते. तो आई गेस यहाँ पर कहीं पर चल रहा है कॉन्सर्ट एंड इट विल एंड विद इन 10 minutes आई गेस. Sunlight कितनी सुंदर लगती है when it comes to your face. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next vlog. By the time, whatever questions you have, put them in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to answer them. See you all in the next one. Love you. Bye bye. Take care. Bye bye. Say bye to my vlog, guys.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.